is expected. Where? Portions of central and east central Indiana, including the following counties: in central Indiana, Hamilton and Madison. In east central Indiana, Delaware, Henry and Randolph. When? Until 3:15 p.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 12:17 p.m., emergency management reported heavy rain in the warned area due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Anderson, Noblesville, New Castle, Pendleton, Chesterfield, Ingalls, Lapel, Edgewood, Daleville, Markville, Sulphur Springs, Merlin, Mount Summit, Lissettville, Cadiz, Springport, Blount'sville, Country Club Heights, Woodlawn Heights, and River Forest. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.